flurries depending on where you are. Heavy snow will taper off the flurries tomorrow, mixing in with a little rain too. High 37. Total accumulations 6 to 12 for the city and inland. A foot or more is possible outside of 495, and the South Coast Cape and Islands should stay with less accumulation, with that mixing of snow and rain and sleet, maybe 3 to 6 inches there. Another inch or two possible overnight on Wednesday near the coast. Blustery with flurries. High at 35. We'll get near 40 with a bit of sunshine around on Thursday.
Live, local, and fiercely independent. This is WBZ News Radio.
Good afternoon. I'm Ben Parker. Here are the 5 things you need to know at 3:46. A winter storm warning is posted. Snow is falling over much of the area, mixing with some rain over the Cape. We'll have details in just a moment. A group of Republican senators releasing a framework for a different COVID relief package in Washington. A marching ban's in effect in the city of Boston. Cars parked on major roads and snow arteries will start to be towed. And a woman from Shirley is potentially facing some criminal charges accused of creating fraudulent online GoFundMe pages. Well, we're in the thick of it as the snow has started to fall just about everywhere now and picking up in intensity in many places. There is some rain down along the south coast and the Cape right now, but it'll be snowing for almost everybody. We're going to take a trip with WBZ's Tim Cunningham, who's on I-95 in Mansfield, to see how things are going there. Tim.
Well, Ben, it's windy out here. The snow is blowing sideways, but so far no major problems on 95. All lanes of the highway are bare pavement. They're definitely wet, a little bit slushy in the median and on the shoulders. But with the temperatures hovering right around 32, 33 degrees, it's hard to tell whether the roads are icy. People seem to be keeping it under the speed limit, which is a good thing. And I have seen some sanders out on the highway, so they're definitely doing their job, hoping to get these roads treated before the heavy snow starts. In Mansfield, Tim Cunningham, WBZ, Boston News Radio.
The snow is falling. That's where more road issues are coming into play. Turnpike's down to 40 miles an hour. There are delays on the road, especially as you head outside of 128 and 495. And the snow is continuing to fall there. We'll, of course, keep you posted throughout the day and the evening. Don't forget, you can always listen to us anywhere you go by downloading the iHeart Radio app. Today, from a group of Republican senators in Washington, a smaller COVID-19
you can go to Waze, you can check the speed over there.
President Biden's nearly $2 billion package.
The White House says President Biden's meeting today with 10 Republican senators on COVID-19 relief.
What the speed I'm driving.
Secretary Jen Psaki.
He's happy to have a conversation with them. What this meeting is not is a forum for the president to make or accept an offer.
The Republican lawmakers have released a $618 billion COVID-19 relief package. A counter offer that's much smaller than President Biden's sweeping $1.9 trillion proposal. Aaron Travis, ABC News, Washington.
COVID-19 vaccine distribution is continuing across the country for both the Pfizer and the Moderna shots. The White House COVID response team providing an update on development efforts for another vaccine candidate.
Data from Johnson & Johnson shows vaccine was 66% effective at preventing mild cases of COVID-19 and 85% effective at preventing severe cases. Chief White House medical advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci says it'll be another useful tool in the fight against COVID.
When you look at serious disease, hospitalizations, and deaths, it has had a profound effect on that.
He says there is much more to protection than preventing infection, and that preventing serious illness is also beneficial. Mark Remillard, ABC News.
Now a requirement on public transit across the nation. Starting tomorrow, masks will be required in airports and on airplanes. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky is encouraging Americans to not travel unless absolutely necessary.
Now is not the time to travel, but if you must travel, you must wear a mask and follow other CDC and local guidance in order to protect yourself and others while you travel.
Airlines, meantime, are applying the new federal orders for mask wearing.
In a letter to employees, Delta CEO Ed Bastian praises an executive order by President Biden that mandates masks on all commercial planes and at airports. Bastian calling it really good news. Until now, it has been airline policy to wear masks. Now it is enforceable law, and the TSA will lead enforcement efforts. Refusing to wear a mask can mean jail time or a fine. In the letter, Bastian saying Delta has now banned around 950 passengers for refusing to wear a mask. Alex Stone, ABC News.
A woman from Shirley is facing a complaint from police after a GoFundMe investigation. The Lowell Sun reports police are pursuing charges against Michelle Wexbury for allegedly creating fraudulent online fundraising pages. The town police chief telling the Sun the department submitted a complaint for charges in Air District Court last month. Among those charges, larceny over $1,200. It was Barstool Sports versus Somerville's mayor today, a legal skirmish before members of the state Supreme Court.
The Massachusetts wiretapping law, the two-party consent law, makes it a crime to secretly record a conversation. The attorney for Somerville Mayor Joe Curtatone